Hello everyone, I am Neha, your happiness coach. Today I am going to tell you a very interesting story. Story about a lady whom I met during my counseling session some time ago. Well, the conversation that I had with her was so amazing that it has stayed with me, and I just want to share this with all of you. My dear friends, sometimes it's all about perspective. When we talk to our children about a lot of things, that when we go out, when we travel, about our own country, about what we feel about our own space is very different. Especially we Indians are not very kicked about talking about the great things in our country. In fact, when we go out for holidays, if we are traveling abroad, very easily in front of our kids we say, oh, India is so dirty and here it's so clean, here we have so many facilities. Passively what you're doing is you are feeding them with negativity about your country in their head, and that's what they absorb and they talk about it later, and that's what they get opinionated with. When I met this lady, she has been in UK for about 10 years, then she had traveled to Canada for about 2 years, and so on. After that, after spending almost 12 to 15 years abroad, she and her husband took a decision of coming back to India and settling here. I was amazed, and she has 2 kids. One was 11 years and I think one was 7 or 8. So I asked her, how did you take that decision? Because ideally, my perception with so many people around that I know of, they never think of coming back to India, one big reason being money. So she said that was not the criteria because that was at parity. So I said, then what made you come here? Weren't you very comfortable there with the facilities and everything? Then she told me that, Neha, we always had it in our head that one day we will come back here. And we kept, Manika, how are your kids coping with it? Because they are born and brought up there. You being born in India still will always have, that feeling of coming back home. But how do you, deal with them? She said right from the beginning, we had kept telling them that this is not our place, this is not our house, this is not our home, this is not our country. We always kept talking to them about our country, telling them about our culture, telling them what are the great things that India has and that the other countries don't. The whole perspective, it opened my eyes to such a great thing that when I actually see so many parents today, they don't even want to teach their child their mother tongue. It's that bad that you don't even want to have your culture rooted in your child today. But whereas there is a perspective where a parent kept saying, she gave me a small example, like her daughter asked her that, why mama, once there was some case that happened in India about some murder or something. So she said, isn't India not a safer place, and we are much safer here in UK? And then she said, I had to pick up the stats and show her, and I showed her a full lot of stats which said the population of UK and the crime rate in UK is way higher compared to the population of India and the crime rate that's there in India. So basically the percentage perspective is way different. So she was telling, then she told me that constantly, always, we have only been feeding our kids with a lot of positive things that we have from our home, from our country. So my dear friends, the whole idea here is the perspective and the mindset. What we feel is what, if we have a positive mind, a positive thought towards what we are doing, where we are living and things around us, that will always be there, and it will pass on to the kids. Today she tells me that her kids are very happy that they are here. They have no qualms being around here, and they don't even think of going back there. It was a very, very inspiring story for me, because I felt in a world where we have everybody who wants to just run out of this place and just not rooted to your place, and they don't want to come out, and they have 100 negatives to show that we have in our country. My dear friends, please look at the 100 positives too. Any country you go will definitely have its own plus and minus, but degrading your own space where you were born, the sand, the soil that has given you place, is not the right idea. Do give it a thought, and please think about it and inculcate the same in your kids. Do let me know how was this video and what more you would like to watch on my channel that makes you feel happy. Until then, it's me, Neha saying